mau na mangi maige na kwa ihinda riri tukiingira riboti-ini itu ya mbere hwaini wa umuthi thutha wa Kwanirirwo kwa mbei njeru cia maguta ni Mbudi ya Kuramata maguta bururiini. Epra Minista wa Hinya Thitima Chirchir hamwe na Mwandiki Mukaru Ministriini iyo Mohamed Liban Maugite ni Maugite ati Wongerereku wa Thogora wa maguta Umanite na Thirikari Kwaga Kuheana Mbeca cia Ruthuku kuri Anyiti a sector iyo undu uria ugikoretwo ugitongeria mbei ino gukorwo ikiambatira niguo tukorwo tukiamukira riboti iyo makiria.
Itua ria Mbudi ya Kuramata thogora ya maguta guku bururiini Epra ria kuongerera thogora wa maguta maita meri, beturu ikiongererwo na ciringi 16.96, dithuru na ciringi 21.32, namo maguta ma tawa makongererwo na ciringi 36.13. Riu Ministri ya Hinya na Thitima ni yumiritie muthenya wa umuthi gutetera thogora ucio na guteterithia ati thogora ucio umanite na itua ria thirikari ria kweheria marihi ma thairira kuri endia na aguri a maguta sekta-ini iyo. Ndeto iria icungireire thogora wa maguta kwambatira maita meri Mukaru na mweri wa mugwanja na wa kanana kuria thogora ucio utacenjirie.
That's the global problem. That is why we are having all these spikes. As he mentioned, we need to face the reality.
Magitongorio ni Minista wa Hinya na Thitima Chirchir hamwe na Mwandiki Mukaru Ministriini iyo Mohamed Liban mateterithitie ati kwambatira gwa thogora ucio makiria ni ucungirirwo ni ihinda ria heho mabururiini maria mathondekaga maguta kumana na ngarama nene ya kuiga maguta macio.
But we have what we call petroleum development levy. Close what we collect is about 2.3 billion. July we had a spike of diesel. We were able to cushion you from that. August, it was about almost the same, we cushioned you. This time because of the escalating, what is happening globally, because of the winter, which needs a lot of heating, because of the climate change, because of the monetization of money.
Chirchir oho ni ongereire ati thirikari iri mihango-ini ya kunyihia thogora wa gasi niguo guteithiriria hari undu uyu na makiria giteterithia ati thogora wa maguta ungire iguru makiria tigane itua ria thirikari ria kuingirira gatagati thogora-ini ino kuma mabururi maria mathondekaga maguta.
And for us to have negotiated 90, that is really something that could have assisted us but certainly we are going to enjoy the benefits from this coming month, and hopefully in the coming days, the rising prices of products amidst the world challenges of Ukraine-Russian war, the reduction of the barrels in the market, and the challenges of the winter and so on and so forth, should not hit us the way
kwambiriria utuko wa tariki 15 mweri-ini uyu mucii-ini munene wa Nairobi thogora mwero wa maguta utariita uu: beturu ikiuma ciringi 211.64, dithuru yume ciringi 299, namo maguta ma tawa maume ciringi 202.61. Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Chege wa Njohi.